Hey everybody, welcome to Tatarina. In this video we are going to learn how to upload a YouTube video. Let's begin. In order to upload a YouTube video, what you can do, you can click on this icon at the upper right corner named create, which is like a camera, and then you can click on upload video. If you are on mobile phone, then what you have to do, you have to open Google Chrome. Then from there you have to tap on the three dot on the upper right corner, and then from there you have to switch to desktop site mode. Then the process will be similar in mobile also. Okay, click on create, then upload video. Then if you are clicking on the first if you are uploading for the first time, then you have to click on continue, then select files. Then you have to select a video. So after you select your video, then this box will appear. The first option is title of the video. It is required and you can give 100 character. So I'm giving title of the video as the title. The second box is not required, but it is very important so that your video gets available in the YouTube search and suggested. I recommend giving a good title. You can write up to 5,000 character on this description. So give a description. For now, for the sake of this video, I am giving description of this video. Then the next option would be thumbnail. YouTube will generate 3 thumbnail from your video after processing it, 1 2 3, and then YouTube will get the best one of those 3. But if you don't like those 3, then you can upload your own thumbnail by creating a thumbnail. And I recommend creating your thumbnail using a good thumbnail creator. I have made a video about how to create a thumbnail for YouTube video. Please look at the icon at the upper right corner or on the description. Now I am clicking on upload thumbnail. Okay, to upload the thumbnail, if you haven't verified your YouTube channel, then you have to verify it. And let us verify it now, and I am coming back to you again. Now the verification is done, so I am going to click on upload thumbnail. Then I will select my thumbnail for this video. Okay, for now I am selecting this one. Once you have given your thumbnail, then you can select a playlist. If you don't have any playlist, just click on create playlist and give it a name. For this case, I'm giving test playlist. Then visibility is the visibility, how the playlist will be shown to your channel visitor or YouTube visitor. Public means everyone can see it, and the search engine of YouTube are also going to list your video. Private means only the people you share will see it, and unlisted means if someone has the link for this playlist, they will see it. So I'm giving public, and I'm going to click on create. Once the playlist is created, please make sure that it's ticked, then click on done. Then you have to select the audience of your video. If your video is made for kids, then you have to select yes, it's made for kids. If not, then the second one. And if you want to age restrict your video, you can select that. If your video has anything for 18 plus, then you can select yes, restrict my video viewers to over 18. And if your video is not 18 plus for the general audience, then no, don't restrict my video. Then the show more option will show if you have monetized your channel. You can give ad and things like that. And automatic chapter is by default YouTube will create automatic chapter on your video if it's long. Tags are very important. You can give tags which will be important, so you can give tags in this way: title. Then if you hit comma, then it's one tag. If you want more tags, then you can give second tag like this. and you can give up to 500 characters, so please use it accordingly. And you can select your video language, like English and any other language. And if you have your caption, then you can certify it, but I recommend not to give any language and things like that when you're uploading. Then it will be easier for YouTube to generate the automatic caption. And license is a standard YouTube license, and if you want your video to be used by third parties, then you can give Creative Commons. And you can allow embedding. Embedding, it means that people can embed your video on their website and things like that, or in their mobile app. Publish to subscription feed and notify subscriber. It means if you give this checked, then your audience will have the update that new video published on your channel. And category means your video category, like comedy, education, entertainment, and things like that. The common one is people and blog, so I'm keeping it right now. Then these are comment related. Hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. It is the most used and common and recommended. Please use it, this one. Once you're done, you can click on next. Then you can use subtitle. If you have written your own subtitle, you can add end screen. If your video is longer and it's a landscape, not portrait, then you can add end screen. And card means the info card. You can put the location and add videos. As this is a demo channel, I don't have any video, so if you have the video, those will be listed here, and if you click on that, then that will be added on the thumbnail where your cursor is. This is the thumbnail. In this way you can add video. This solution is for both desktop or personal computer, laptop, and also for the mobile phone using Google Chrome. If you need to upload your video using YouTube mobile app for Android or for iPhone or third parties, then I have another video for that. Please look at the icon for that video. I hope you now know how to upload a YouTube video. You have to give next, then finally you have to save or publish it. I recommend first time save it as private. Once your video is fully processed, you will see that HD processing, things like that. Once it's processed, wait for 30-40 minutes, then you can go back again, and then you can change the visibility to public, and done, then save. The video will be published. Or you can do it at the first time, but then your video will take excuse me, your video will be published, plus some processing will be behind the scene. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you have any problem or any question. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.